Just take a handful of salt and recite Ya Wahhab on it in a specific way. The moment you perform this practice, wealth and money will start coming into your home as if it is your right. You will be surrounded by riches. Dear brothers and sisters, if you are struggling with financial difficulties, facing scarcity of provisions, and money is not coming into your home, then this video is for you. This is a 2-minute practice, but this small act will change your destiny right before your eyes. Whoever I have told about this handful of salt practice has seen their financial struggles disappear, and by the grace of Allah, they never faced a shortage of wealth and money again. Dear brothers and sisters, poverty and financial distress are indeed a great test. Perhaps that is why Hazrat Ali, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu, once said that poverty makes a person a stranger in their own city. In another place, he stated that if poverty ever appeared before him in human form, he would kill it immediately. But this handful of salt practice with Ya Wahhab will change your destiny and turn your poverty into prosperity. After performing this act, your home will be filled with blessings, and wealth and sustenance will pour into your house. If you have always considered salt an ordinary thing, then this is a big misunderstanding. Allah has placed blessings in salt. If you have a table spread with simple lentils on one side and a roasted leg of lamb on the other, but the lamb lacks salt, it will not be enjoyable. In contrast, lentils with salt will taste better. This shows us that Allah has placed blessings in salt. Salt enhances the taste of food and is also essential for our health. It helps maintain blood circulation in our body. If we stop consuming salt for a few days, our blood flow will not remain normal, and eventually our ability to think and understand will diminish. In extreme cases, a continued lack of salt intake can lead to weakness, frailty, and even death because salt is necessary for maintaining blood flow and keeping the heart beating. Dear brothers and sisters, today I am going to tell you about a special practice involving salt. You may have heard of it before. The practice of using a handful of salt for attracting wealth is not new but has been followed for centuries. Particularly if you perform the handful of salt practice while reciting Ya Wahhab, there is no more powerful or faster way to attract wealth. If you have tried numerous spiritual practices but have not yet become wealthy, then this small 2-minute act will surely bring you prosperity. People wear gemstones and rings to change their fate. Some wear sapphire, some wear turquoise, and others wear different types of stones. You may have heard that if a gemstone suits you, it can change your destiny. Dear brothers and sisters, salt is also a mineral, meaning it is a type of stone. Like other stones, salt has its own special qualities and powers. The greatest power of salt is that it carries blessings. It removes misfortune and negativity. It drives away harmful forces that cause financial struggles, difficulties, and illnesses. This is why those who recognize the spiritual power of salt never suffer losses in life. They do not face financial difficulty, and wealth and money pour into their lives. Dear brothers and sisters, now I am going to explain how to perform the handful of salt practice. But first, let me tell you a little about Allah. I would also like to tell you about the blessed name of Allah, Ya Wahhab. Because many people perform spiritual practices, amal, especially using the blessed names of Allah, Asma'ul Husna. But they do not even know the meaning of the name they are invoking. They do not understand its meaning in Urdu, which is why their practice does not provide them with its full benefit. So, let me tell you a little about Ya Wahhab. You already know that Ya Wahhab is one of the blessed names of Allah. It means the supreme giver, the one who bestows blessings beyond measure. There is no doubt that Allah's being is the source of countless blessings. When Allah gives, He gives without limits. A person should have patience, gratitude, and firm belief that the one who grants is none other than Allah. Allah is Al-Wahhab, the supreme giver, and Ar-Razzaq, the sustainer. Whoever desires that Allah grants them abundant sustenance and wealth should make Ya Wahhab a part of their heart. Whenever they find time, they should continuously recite Ya Wahhab. When you keep reciting any of Allah's blessed names, you start receiving the benefits associated with it. With that name, dear brothers and sisters, you can perform this practice on any day and at any time, but you need to keep a few things in mind, which I will explain step by step. How to perform the practice. 1. Take a handful of salt. Go to your kitchen and take a handful of salt. Salt is available in every home because, alhamdulillah, food is cooked in every household. Take a small piece of cloth and place the salt inside it. 2. Find a clean place for prayer. Sit in a clean place and spread a prayer mat. First, recite Bismillah, and then recite Durood Sharif once. You can recite any Durood Sharif, but Durood Ibrahim is preferred. 3. Recite Surah. Recite Surah Ikhlas 10 times. This is a short but very powerful surah. Alhamdulillah, almost 99.9% of people have memorized it. If you recite Surah Ikhlas 3 times, it is equivalent to reciting the entire Quran. 4. Recite the names of Allah. Recite Ya Wahabo, Ya Razzaq 100 times. Repeat this step 1 time, then again 2 times, and continue this process until you complete 100 times. 5. Make a heartfelt dua, prayer. After completing the recitation, raise your hands and sincerely ask Allah for sustenance and wealth. If you are performing this for your home, pray for Allah to bless your house with prosperity. Always ask Allah with an open heart. Never hesitate or think that you are asking for too much. Allah is the ultimate giver. Just pray with faith and trust, and inshallah, He will bless you abundantly. 6. End with Durood Sharif. After the prayer, recite Durood Sharif once again, the same one you recited at the beginning. 7. Seal the salt in a cloth pouch. Tie the cloth tightly to make a small pouch with the salt inside. Now place this pouch in your wallet, purse, or wherever you keep your money and wealth. The benefits of this practice. When you keep this blessed pouch in a place where you store your money, Barakah, blessings, will increase in your wealth. Any negativity or financial obstacles will be removed. This pouch will absorb negativity and only bring blessings to your money and household. It will protect your sustenance from evil and misfortune. Inshallah, after performing this practice, you will notice a significant increase in your wealth. If you believe in Allah's blessings and this practice benefits you, then type MashaAllah and Subhanallah in the comments. Press the like button and share this video as much as possible. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Jazakallah.